In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Bookings with CRM. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your schedule and customer management, making your business operations so much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and go through the process of setting up this integration step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Bookings workspace. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see your upcoming appointments and a variety of options to manage your bookings. This area is your control center, where you can oversee and manage all your scheduling needs. Next, let's locate the settings. In the top right corner of your workspace, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This cog symbol is universal in its role across most platforms, leading you to the settings area. Clicking it will open a menu full of options related to your Zoho Bookings account configurations. After accessing the settings, the next step is crucial: connecting Zoho Bookings with your CRM system. In the Settings menu, you should see a tab labeled Integrations. This is where the magic happens. Click on that tab and you'll see a range of integration options available to you, reflecting the comprehensive reach of Zoho's connectivity capabilities. Among these, you need to focus on the most popular, or CRM and sales category, as it specifically includes the CRM tools. Zoho CRM should be prominently featured since it's a flagship service offered by Zoho. Once you select CRM, you'll be guided through the process of connecting your Zoho Bookings account to your Zoho CRM. This integration will allow bookings made through your booking platform to automatically populate into your CRM system, keeping your client information and appointments seamlessly updated without manual data entry. It ensures that your CRM always contains the most current data, empowering you to provide better service to your clients. That's it. You've successfully started the process of integrating Zoho Bookings with Zoho CRM. As you continue, follow any prompts or additional instructions given by the Zoho system to fine-tune your setup. Remember, successful integration can greatly enhance your operational efficiencies by centralizing your client information and scheduling tasks, ultimately leaving you more time to focus on growing your business. Our guide ends here, but I encourage you to explore all the features offered through this integration. Whether it's automated follow-ups or comprehensive client insights, there's so much potential at your fingertips. If you have any questions or encounter any roadblocks along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the support offered by Zoho, as they have plenty of resources to assist. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps streamline your business processes.